The Nexura series of floor standing units are engineered in Europe with state-of-the-art technology and is available in 3 capacities from 2.5, 3.5 and 5 kilowatts. One of the unique features of the Nexura is its front radiant panel, which has the ability to deliver heat similar to that of a traditional radiator.
It's a great all-year-round system that heats as well as cools, and we really love the radiant heating panel. It just makes it so cozy.
The panel on the front gives it a very, very unique feel, and it reminds me very much of the traditional heaters that we grew up with.
The Daikin Nexura has 2 heating modes. The first being it uses both the normal air conditioner and the radiant panel to quickly heat the room up to temperature. And the second function is to just use the radiant panel to maintain those comfort conditions without the airflow movement.
Our children are all grown up now. However, they do still live with us. We have people coming and going the whole time. To that end, we've set up a little bit of a parent cave in the study that I've designed. So we can turn the heater on there, have the panel nice and warm, and we've turned that into our favourite quiet spot.
The dry function is designed to remove humidity from the air without changing the temperature. It's also sensitive choice approved from the National Asthma Council of Australia.
It's a quiet system, which is a real bonus, so you can have it on at night time in summer or winter. We did do some research and looked at other products on the market, but we're so happy with the Daikin. I don't think we could have made a better decision.